What's up everybody, my name is Sam and today I'm going to show you a very special video. The title pretty much says it all, so let's jump right in. I'm going to start a stopwatch on my phone right here. Okay? And if I do this right...
Pete. Oh, looks like you really stepped in it this time. Just where in the world are you? Hello? Hello? Alright, Pete. Remember your scout training. Step 1, get your bearings.
Okay, if I do this right, we should be able to do this in less than 5 minutes.
It's probably the size of a bathroom scale?
First things first, we're going to run directly towards the oak tree. Now the significance of the oak tree is that there are 2 wolf spiders that have a den directly under the tree.
Mom and Dad are not going to be happy about this. Well, Pete, you always wanted to go on an adventure.
I'm kind of keeping to the right of the tree and whatnot because on the left side you can run into orb weaver spiders and that's not what we're looking for right now. Okay, here's the den entrance, or one of them, and there are the 2 wolf spiders. Now here's the strategy. We're going to punch one of them and then we're going to run that way. If I do it right, I should be able to survive all the way over here. Okay, here's where we want to be, and we want this guy to jump over the leaf. He didn't quite make it. We want him to jump again. Oh, he's not going to jump. Jump again. There we go. Okay, well, unfortunately, they're both here now. Actually, is that unfortunate? Maybe I can get both of them. I don't want to jinx myself, but this is looking fantastic. Looks like we're going to get 2 wolf spiders. He's almost dead. And I'm reading 3:09 on my stopwatch. Let's see what it says when I finish this guy off. $3:18. Now let's see if we can't get this other guy too while we're at it. Maybe I can get 2 of them within 5 minutes of the game. He don't want none. Look at that. He's scared. Just gotta punch him in the eye. Punch him in the fangs too. Alright, I'm looking at 3 minutes and 50 seconds here. Well, now it's 3:50. That's 4 minutes. And 15 seconds. All right, 4 minutes and 33 seconds, and we were able to kill 2 wolf spiders with our fists. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you have, be sure to hit that like button, comment below, and give me some suggestions about what you would like to see me do, whether this game or another game. This is Sam, and I will see you guys in the next one.